Welcome back to another video. I'm Angela with Willowdale Botanicals, and today I wanted to touch on taking care of ourselves. So I'm going to show you how I do the deep spa cleansings and softening oil, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it. I cleansed my face, so I've got it nice and clean. As you can see, I have no makeup on. This is an awesome product that Willowdale Botanicals creates in small batches, and so it's a blend of these amazing oils. See, buckthorn essential oil, elderberry extract, rosehip oil, and lavender essential oil. I'm going to put it onto my skin, and then I'm going to massage it for about 4 to 5 minutes. And then, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and work this into my skin. I'm also going to set my timer for 5 minutes. So 5 minutes there, and we're going to go ahead and do this. I put 3 pumps into my hand. You can do as many as you want. I'm just going to do 3 this time. And I'm going to massage it into the palms of my hands and really kind of warm up the oils. And I'm going to just start putting it onto my face like this. And massaging it into my neck, into my forehead, really get that product on there. And I'm going to speed up this process, so I'll talk to you in just a few minutes. I'm going to go ahead and rinse this off with a washcloth, some warm water, and then I think I might actually put some more of it on because it's going to be a wonderful veil of moisture for my skin, and it just is a beautiful thing for softening, and it's great for aging and irritated skin, oily skin, because it's going to help normalize your pores, and it's just great for basically all skin types. So I'm going to go ahead and wash up my skin. And the reason I'm going to wash the existing oil off of my face is because as I was massaging my skin and doing all of this motion with my fingers, I was gently gliding my fingers up, and it's pulling out impurities of your pores, and it's going to help get rid of those dead skin cells that are on top of the skin. So now that they're out of my pores, I want to wash that off, and then I'm going to reapply a little bit more onto my face. And I'm just gently doing this. Get my lip skin, get my neck, get my forehead, and then now I'm going to go ahead and splash on my face some fresh water, and then I'm just going to dry it off. So I don't know if you can tell the difference. Maybe I should do like a little still here, so maybe I can take a still from before and just do like a side by side. You enjoyed spending time with me as I did the deep spa cleansing and softening oil routine by Willowdale Botanicals. It's something that I think is important to take care of our skin and to just show up. I think that taking care of yourself in this way is just one extra little tool I think that you would benefit from doing into your routine. We'll see you soon, and yeah, stay tuned. We're going to be diving deep into some other ingredients. I'm really excited about it because I've been researching a lot of what ingredients we put into our products. We're going to do 4 ingredients per product, and I'm just excited to share with you what that benefit of the ingredient does for our skin. And yeah, so stay tuned for that. If you are interested to get the notifications, I highly encourage you to subscribe to our channel and then click that bell so you'll get notified. So when we do have them up, you'll be the first to know. All right, thank you for spending this time with me. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week. We'll see you soon.